Hi, welcome to this Mark's Reviews Tutorials video. We're going to have a look at this HoseLink hose reel. This has been here for about 14 months now. This is on a client's house, so I use it once a month when I come and clean the swimming pool, have a good look at it. Now, when this was first put here, I know we paid a lot for it. It was very impressive. These great big fittings here that you can pull apart in a T fashion. So here we go. There's a cam lock on the handle, and you just undo it. Just taking it away from the camera because it's pouring water everywhere. You see, the cam lock has its own unique fitting. Now, the catch with that, of course, you know, it looks good and when it was brand new, it was absolutely awesome. It seals O-ring on O-ring, as you can see there. But it means that nothing else is going to fit on your hose. You have to just use their HoseLink fittings. Now, that's all good and right. It's also got a tap on it here. You see here to turn it off and on, like that. Problem is, I've come here now, it's about 14 months old. I haven't used this in a little while. And yeah, it's not doing well. This little trigger here, you see when it triggers, that turns on. That had actually stuck in. So this was on and it wasn't turning off. So that had actually corroded in place. It's dripping from this join here. So yeah, and then I went out and used it. It's a 25 metre cord. I pulled it out probably 10 or 12 metres, so about halfway. And then I couldn't get it to recoil. I had to play. This one always has recoiled better. If you turn the hose off and let the pressure out, it then recoils better than if it's still turned on with pressure in the hose. But yeah, sorry to put a bad review up for HoseLink. But at the 14-month mark, it's coming up just a little bit ordinary, like she's starting to not look so good. As I said, brand new, look fantastic, really good fittings, specialized fittings, but again, I couldn't live with that because all of a sudden everything has to have that HoseLink connection on it. Yeah, that's just a pain to have something different. So there you go, 25 meter HoseLink. Let's turn you around. So there it is, and yeah, for the first 12 months, absolute ripper, it's done. But look at that, see, it's not recoiling now. That's all the pressure's out of that. It's going to lock. No, she's not happy. So there you go. I would not go. There's Mark's Reviews tutorials on the basis of just one. So this is a pain to get it to recoil in again. Here we go. Now it's going to go in and lift it up. But on the basis of this guy, awesome for the first year and a half. But then she starts to get a bit ordinary. The fixing plate here has worked really well, non-corrosive, nice and strong. That's all good. But the coiling system and the head, and the fact that you can't fit other things, all of your other accessories are going to have the standard click fitting on them. I'd be giving this one a, yeah, not so much. Sorry about that, HoseLink, but this one hasn't performed.